Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. So in today's video, before I get started with my design, I wanted to show you guys these glitters that I got from longhairprettynails.com. So I'm just going through each one. I got like 6 of them. So I'm just going through and showing you guys the ones that I got real quick. And I do use one in the design. Look at that hollow, it's so pretty. And then the one that that's the one that I use in my design. I already put it in a little pot. I got those pots from Hobby Lobby, I believe, for like $1.99. It was like, I want to say like 18 of them in the pack for $1.99. But here I go, I've started to put that glitter on the nail. I just picked up a little bit of clear acrylic and I'm going in with the clear and the glitter. This glitter took me a little while to actually place. It was hard to get them where I wanted them to go. Sorry, my child is in here with me while I'm recording this voiceover because he won't go to sleep. He's 3, so sorry about that, guys. But anyway, I'm still going in with this glitter, and I only actually recorded me doing a full nail on 2 of these nails because this glitter took me so long to place. Like, it just would not, because I guess because it's so chunky, it just would not stay where I wanted it. But what I did was I went in and put the glitter on all 4 of the nails first, and then I came back in and encapsulated the glitter with some clear acrylic. But yeah, you see me struggling with this glitter, trying to get it exactly where I wanted it. I wanted to have more of it than less, so it took me a minute to kind of get them all in place and where I wanted them. Yeah, they just kept sticking to the brush and it was just everywhere. So like I said, that took me a minute just to get the glitters where I wanted them. And you see me lay down a little bit of clear acrylic before I go in with the glitter. That's just to help them stick to the nail. So that's why I did all of them, all the glitter at once, so that giving that acrylic a little bit of time to dry before I encapsulated it. I wish my camera would stay focused. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, so now I finally got the glitter where I wanted it to be on all 4 nails. So now you'll see me go back in and encapsulate the glitter on each nail. And I had these beads of clear acrylic kind of wet. That way they would, you know, get in between all the glitters and hold them in place. And that's another reason why I let them dry. That way when I go in to encapsulate, the glitters won't like move around and come all out of place. So, but yeah, I wanted this bead to be kind of wet so it would get into all the crevices and grooves between the glitters. And I just did a really thin layer because I'm going to go back in and encapsulate after I put this cover color on. And this is the Mia Secret Cover Rose that I'm gonna go in with next. And I'm just doing kind of like an ombre effect with this Cover Rose. Y'all, this hand was so difficult. These cuticles and fingers on this thing are like horrible. You gotta be really careful with it and clean up really well around that cuticle. Yeah, here my camera wouldn't focus again. There we go. So yeah, and I use as many beads as I need to try to get the acrylic, you know, to look the way I want it to look. I don't have a specific method. If you've seen my videos before, you know I don't have like a 1 bead, 2 bead. I don't do that. I just use as many as I need to without using too much to get it to look the way I want to. There goes the focus again. Sorry about that, guys. And then once I have that ombre the way, see, I just went in with another bead. I felt like it needed a little bit more. I just went in another bead. Again, that's the Mia Secret Cover Rose. And then now I'm going in with a bead of clear. And I'm just encapsulating the whole thing. So I'm going to encapsulate that Cover Rose and then the glitter again to make sure all those glitters are sealed in. And I have none remaining. Like nothing hanging out. Uncovered, I should say. And like I said,
I like the roasting.
You do? So again, I'm doing the same thing on this nail, and like I said, I only did showed you guys me doing the full nails on 2 of these nails. I did the other 2 off camera because the video would have been way too long.
I need to talk. I will go to sleep. And this one will go. I can go over with this one. And I do some clips, I do. I already do it because I sit on the side right below. I'm on the sitting on the side. Just saying to mommy is silly. It's not silly to me. I think of all the stuff and then I said she laughed again. But this one was nice.
Alright, and here I go again. Yeah, my baby is helping me do my voiceover, guys. So here I go.
This seal them nose, and then the little seal the world too.
Now he's trying to take it over. But here I go with the Cover Rose again from Mia Secret.
I will go.
And this is just me doing the second nail. Like I said, I didn't show all of them on camera. So after this, you'll probably see me come back in after I've filed, shaped, and buffed them off camera. After I'm done doing this nail. I'm just encapsulating now with the clear acrylic. Trying to keep my shape as much as possible so I don't have to do too much filing at the end. So here we are now after I've filed, shaped, and I realized I think at this point I hadn't buffed them yet, so I come back again after I buffed. Here we go, and now I'm wiping just with an alcohol wipe. I get these from my local Kroger. I don't remember how much they were, but they weren't that expensive for a box. And now I'm just going in with my IBD Gel top coat. That's a no wipe top coat. And this camera, it did not do this glitter justice at all. I mean, it was so pretty after putting on the top coat, and you just really couldn't see it as well. It's still pretty, and it's really Christmassy. You get the reds, the greens, a little bit of gold, and silver. I really like this glitter. It's really pretty. But yeah, this is pretty much the design. Oh, actually, I did also off camera, I added some rhinestones after I put this top coat on. So you'll see after I cure them, I put the rhinestones after I put the top coat, and then I cured them in my lamp for 60 seconds. So you'll see here, I'm going to come in a second, here we are. And I've already added the rhinestones, and they're cured 60 seconds. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.